Hi there, I'm Mike Parzich, Product Marketing Manager here at Norgren. I'm at PACK EXPO in Chicago. This is our connected circuit demo featuring all of our new IO-Link enabled connected products. So looking at the connected circuit in more detail, first we have our air preparation unit, the Exelon Plus with IEPS, or Integrated Electronic Pressure Sensor. So not only does it connect to a higher level system using IO-Link, but it also has a digital display. So if the pressure ratings drop, you get a visual indication where the screen turns red. If the system is within the set desired parameters, the system is green, meaning things are okay. So it gives you that visual maintenance aspect. Up next, we have our VR valve manifold. It's a sub-base style valve, which offers high flow, long life, and easy valve exchange. So really great for maintenance. It has IO-Link, Profinet, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, and multi-pole to connect to it. Get diagnostics like cycle count, over/under voltage to make sure your valve is operating optimally. Down here we have our 34D pressure sensor. It's got a stainless steel body, really robust for more aggressive applications, rated for up to 8,700 PSI, and again, monitoring the system pressure, and you also get temperature as well. And down here we have our 54D pressure sensor, which is lightweight, compact, rated for pressure ranges up to 232, so great for general pneumatic applications, again, monitoring system pressures and temperature. And lastly, we have our M50 IO-Link switch paired with a P-Series NFPA extruded actuator, so get information like cycle count and temperature for your application. So coming back to the front, bringing all these products together is our IO-Link Master. And the IO-Link Master is essentially the gateway for these IO-Link devices to the higher level system. And Norgren offers IO-Link Masters and modules for Profinet and Ethernet IP systems. Whether you're looking for standard pneumatic products or new connected IO-Link enabled products, Norgren can help you with your machine design challenges. Connect with Norgren today at the PACK EXPO show or at norgren.com. Thank you.